In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under business environment and social responsibility. So basically, we'll be focused on the subtopic factors that affect business environment and social responsibility. We have about 20 or 50 questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says a factor that creates opportunities and threats to business unit is called. We have micro factor, macro factor, operating factor, legal factors. The right answer is option B, macro factor. Alright, so take note of this question. Next to the question is this one. It says the economic environment of business is concerned with where climate condition, the growth rate, the interest rate, changing values. So the right answer is option B, the growth rate. Okay, very important. The next question is this one. It says which of these sets of external environment factors affect a business operation where competition, labor and political, economics, social and legal, political, cultural and labor, competition, industry operation. The right answer is the one that has economics. Okay, which is option B, economic, social and legal. Right. The next question is one. It says the list of the advantages of indigenization is that entrepreneurial skill is developed, the standard of living of the indigenes is improved, the economy is controlled by the nationals, foreigners domination is avoided. So the list of the advantages foreigners domination is avoided. Okay, the next question is one. It says the macro environmental forces and trends which are a constraint on business operations are referred to as. We have internal factors, external factors, technical factors, economic factors. The right answer is option B, external factors. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says the market structure, business conditions and financial systems in Nigeria constitutes the. We have economic environment, cultural environment, technological environment, political environment. So the right answer is option A, economic environment. So market structure, business conditions and financial systems in Nigeria constitute the economic environment. Very important. Next question is one. It says the social responsibility factor of an organization is geared towards operating without disrupting the very essence of the environment, meeting the needs and demands of the shareholders, no, contributing to the subsistence and development of its host community. Yes, tackling the social and economic problems of the state. So the right answer is option C, contributing to the sustenance and development of its host community. Okay, so that's it. Next question is one. It says example of public goods is cosmetics, clothes, fire brigade, cars. So the right answer is option C, fire brigade. Okay, next question is one. It says sudden technology changes can have the effect of making the company's management style ineffective, the motivational factors in the company difficult to monitor, a company's product obsolete, the control mechanism difficult to implement. The right answer is option C, so it can make the company's product obsolete. Okay, next question is one. It says the existing system of government and administrative subdivisions of a country which affect the operation of business in the country is described as political environment. As long as government is being cited or being referenced or captured in a sentence, so it's political environment. Next question is one. It says the objectives of a business are determined by the real society, government, workers, promoters. The right answer is option D, promoters. Take note of this question, guys. Next one is this one. It says the market structure, business conditions and financial systems in Nigeria is. This is a question. The right answer is option B, economic environment. Next question is this one. It says the business environment that takes into cognizance the age distribution, ethnic mix and educational level of the consumer is the demographic environment. Here option A. Okay, very important. This question is one. It says one of the factors affecting the growth of commerce in West Africa is. We have government intervention, the emergence of specialization, political instability, the role of advertising. The right answer is option C, political instability. Okay, very important. This question is one. It says the provision of quality and safe products which guarantee the health of consumers is an example of price control, civic responsibility, quality control, social responsibility. The right answer is social responsibility. Okay, next question is one. It says the macro environmental forces and trends which are a constraint on business operations are referred to as. I think this is a good question as well. Right answer is option A, external factors. Next question, this one says the government policy of trust on the business environment is to we have increased production, promote es- experts, attract investors, be self-sufficient. The right answer is option C, attract investors. Next question is what it says. A major factor that affects business operation is real supply, rivalry, product technology. So the right answer is option D, technology. Next question, this one says for establishment of a powerful consumer association in Nigeria to exist, there must be allocation of goods from the producer, freedom from external influence, financial and moral support from the public, hosts and committed leadership. So guys, the right answer to this question is that for establishment of a powerful consumer association in Nigeria to exist, there must be financial and moral support from the public. So that's it. The last question for end this video is this one. It says in an organization, civic consideration arises from where its operation within the environment, the profit derived from the environment, is social negative impact on the community, the fact that it is registered in that locality. So the right answer is option A. So civic consideration arises from its operation within the environment. So that is basically can do problems involving factors affecting business environment and social responsibility for your JAMB commerce. So practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. If you want to learn from the video, if you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll sure to give you a response. So you share part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, getting premium information and help it excel external exam like the JAMB and other external exams will be writing. So having done this, click the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.